Final game. Final game.
Come on, guys. Final.
All the best, guys.
Love all.
Nice.
One, 0. Service.
Just
In a out. It was out.
Okay. Good shot. So from here we saw it's all falling on the line.
Yeah, for you like that, but Tyson.
Hey, guys, come on. Line up பாருங்க. பார்க்கலாம். Out.
அது அவுட் தான்.
Line up straight பின்னாடி இருக்கணும். Come on. Line up right left side.
Service.
Net.
Yeah, net.
Vishwa.
Yeah, net.
Hey, where is the other umpire on the other side? Final man. Someone come and sit there.
He is already closing the eyes.
Hey, can you sit there and watch? With
See
help.
whether he is opening the eyes or not.
That is your umpiring job. You have to umpire.
Score.
Okay.
1-2. Service.
Movement சரியா இருந்தது ஹார்ட் லெக்.
Service.
Focus guys.
Three, 2.
Lead போகாம பாத்துக்கலாம்.
Service.
Right now. That's it. Keep it.
Service.
ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு.
Good try, Avnesh. Good one.
ஏடிங்க. Nice. Second, third.
Come on.
வந்துச்சு.
Sorry, Avnesh. Sorry.
Position. Out. No.
I accepted. Parav will definitely would have taken. Because ball would have already dropped. You keep running.
Mahesh, definitely he would not have reached.
Hey, come on, serious. Come, guys, serious game. Ready? Krishna, service.
3-all. Four.
4-3. Good take. Come on. Targeting you. Come on. You have to give them back.
Just wait.
Krishna, wait, Krishna. Service.
Nice.
Point ana pudi kudadu.
No.
5-3. Come on, serious. Service 5-3.
Someone save.
6-3.
Okay, guys, come on.
Ready, 6-3.
Come on, man. Up. Okay, guys, come on. Let's break it. Service. Cover, second. Handle ball. Good. Nice. Ulla. Nice, mother. Accent.
4-7. Ready, wait. 4-7, service.
Out.
Thanks, man.
8-4. Service.
Green team is rocking.
Time out, red team. First time out.
It's okay. Sorry.
Time out. After 30 seconds over. No. Can you do the scoring? Let's go.
Yes. You guys are 4, they are 9. Service.
Come on. Ganesh. Nice. Ganesh, come on. Come on, man. Nice from Krishna. Right.
மது விலை கேத்திட்டாரு. Super try. Wait.
10-4.
Yeah,
10-4.
Super right. Oh. Five time.
5-10. Wait. முதல்ல இந்த ரெட் டீம் ஷூ எல்லாத்தையும் கைட்டி வைக்கணும். ஆவுனா ஷூலெஸ் ஆச்சு. Wait.
புதுசு இல்ல ரெட் ஷூ வர பாருங்க.
See, now he started.
Ready.
Service.
Okay. Don't lose it. This is position game. This is complete.
Service.
Okay, 7. I understand. That's okay.
Service.
Leave. Adjust. Super. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕ. Super. 7. Switch code. Come.
So now you change 7 that side and 11. They are switching the code. Whichever is comfortable for you.
You don't need a chair?
Come on guys, good game, good game.
Only 10 points. Only 10 points.
Tell Raj.
Little bit this way. Little bit this
Can
way.
I take your hand?
They will run.
11-7.
Avinash. Sorry. Push it. Bad luck. It was almost.
Player went into the other court.
Warning.
Kayapan, not warning.
Okay, no point.
You got point.
Okay. No 2 points, right?
అది అప్పుడు నువ్వు కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది
Sir, okay.
Wait, guys.
అన్న ఇది రా ఇదంతా గ్యాప్ ఎవరు చూస్తారు నేను దూకాల
Service.
Position. Send it. Out. Okay, cut this, sir.
కొట్టేసి రావాలన్నా ఓకే
Cut the sir.
నువ్వు కూడా అదొక
Innings cut பண்ணனா இந்த position மாறாது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம்.
Narvesh.
బ్యాక్ పొజిషన్
Guys, come on, good game, 11-all.
Take break.
One by one, come on, good sir.
Service.
Beautiful sir, buddy. Leave it.
Out.
Ball out.
Good try. That's okay, good try. Cover the gap.
12-11.
Average is in now.
Hey, code switch, when is that happen?
11, done.
Already done now. Oh.
Finish now.
Full of bottle in the corner.
Service.
That's lucky.
12-all.
కాదు అవినాష్ అది నువ్వు వెనకలేస్తాను
Service.
Second. Good.
ఈజీ సార్
Guys, come on.
Excellent.
Hey.
Pull it. Hey. Oh, good. Well played. Sir, careful. Okay. Guys, wake up. Okay, guys, come on.
14, 12.
అట్లా కరెక్ట్
Same thing. 14, 12.
గుడ్ వన్
Okay. Well.
Service, 13-14.
Okay.
Okay.
ముందు చదువు
అవ్వడం సార్.
Again, go.
Okay. Come on.
Go back.
Out.
Yes.
La ball in. In.
No, I didn't.
Ball in.
That's okay.
Okay. Let's cut this.
Come on. All the break, also.
Time out.
Yeah, one time out.
Time out for the రెడ్ టీమ్
సర్వ్ ఎవరు చేస్తున్నారు?
మందే కంటిన్యూ వాటర్
Anybody does have water in the car?
అక్కడ లేవా
అక్కడ ఒక బాటిల్ పెట్టాను చూడు, అక్కడ బాటిల్ రాజు.
అంగల్ సాజిద్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఎనీ వాటర్ బాటిల్ దేర్
ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కొన్ని ఇట్రా రాజ్
అక్కడ ఉన్నా கண்ணன் டிராங்கெட் ஓ 14 ஆலா வெரி குட் இல்ல கோட் ஸ்விட்ச்
Taniya,
ஏய் வாழைப்பழம்
keep it there
yeah, eat. Glucose is important for body.
கம் ஆன் गाइस குட் கேம் மது ஒன்னு விளக்கேத்தி அங்க அம்ஸ்டர் விளக்குதான்
okay reflex are so good yes chance party is coming good you can come and eat again
கம் ஆன் गाइस ஃபைனல் சூப்பரா போகுது 14 all take it
he's serving
whoever is having energy is going to win
no I'm not serving
Oh, Ganesh is there.
wait ready guys கோட்டுக்குள்ள உட்கார்ந்து வாழைப்பழம் பொறுமையா சாப்பிடுங்க உங்களுக்கே வலிக்கு மீந்துற போறீங்க சரி வெயிட் தண்ணி குடிக்கணுமா தண்ணி வேணுமா ஓகே
Ready?
வெயிட்
14 all.
ரெடி சர்வீஸ் good
Ball is in. Correct shot.
இல்ல வாழைப்பழம் போட்ட தொண்டை அடிக்கும் அதுக்காக
All the balls will come to you now.
అయిపోయింది நம்ம అట్లీస్ట్ ஒரு few lead எடுத்தா நம்ம ஐடியா பாஸ்டர் நீ
Drop est munduku vastavu ledana
லைன் பாத்துக்கோங்க
இல்ல இருங்க ரெடி சர்வீஸ்
I have won 6 points live good வந்துச்சு
என்னாச்சு
நம்ம பாடி எல்லாம் 5 all
ஆசீர்வாதம் வாங்கிட்டோம் வெயிட்
ready
வெயிட் சர்வீஸ்
beautiful serve buddy
ball here come on lift adjust
16-15 come on guys good game come on
yeah నాకు ఇచ్చే ball Ganesh ముందుకు
సర్వీస్ 16 all
okay no problem cut this up 16 on
రాజ్ సర్వీస్
break பண்ணுங்க
17-16
மது நான் வைக்கவா நீங்க அடிங்க
வெயிட்
அப்படி போய்
17-16 சர்வீஸ்
ball here center நீங்க ஆடணும் நான் first ball come on
okay come on 18-16 ராஜ் வெயிட்
don't confuse yeah
சர்வீஸ்
come on
lead ball here
ஏங்க உங்க ரெண்டு வாட்டி பாடலையா உங்க மேல No? இல்ல ஏதோ மண்டை மேல பட்ட மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு
Okay, stay. See, we have to
Don't
push up.
sit the ball together.
Wait.
I think Pawan
Already.
Already.
okay.
Balier. Super Ivan. Come on. Not there.
Wait. Ready, guys? Service.
Come on.
They're talking and not ready. Hey guys.
No, I saw. No, he was ready to take and it was going. Ready. Service.
Out.
Game 8, 1 point, guys.
Game point. Ready.
Pull it out. Vitte.
Push. Nay. Actually. Adjust. Balier.
Only one. 9 game, 1 point. 9 game.
Wait, Vinay, wait.
9 game. Break the game.
Service.
9 the game.
No, the ball came. Lucky.
Okay. Lawal. Come on.
Service.
Adjust.
Nice one.
Good one.
One more point. That's it. One more point.
Come on. Cut the sir.
நீங்க நெட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிருங்க
Okay.
இல்லனா அவர் எதை பிக் பண்ண முடியாது
Service.
Good sir, buddy.
Lawal again. Lawal.
ஒரே நிமிஷம் மது ஒரே நிமிஷம்
உங்க கையில தான் இருக்கு மது
அது ஒரே நிமிஷம் ரெடி கைஸ்
1 minute. One rest.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் கண்ணன் ஓகே
You want to rest 5 minutes?
பிரேக் எடுக்கிறீங்களா
Take a break. What is there?
அதான் ஒரு 5 minutes பிரேக் எடுக்கிறதா எடுத்துக்கோங்க
சுரேந்தர் யூ கம் என்னது சார் போத் இல்ல
இல்ல ஒரு பிரேக் டைம் அவுட் எடுத்துக்கோங்க டைம் அவுட் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்களா சரி ஓகே கைஸ் ஓகே கமான் மது சர்வீஸ்
come on guys ரொம்ப ஓடாதீங்க நாங்க அப்படியே lead one save that's it thank you get it going
ஒன் மினிட் கண்ணன் ஆல்ரைட்டா அவருக்கு ரொம்ப இதுவா இருக்கு பாத்தாடுங்க
அதனால தான் நான் சொன்னேன் அவரு
Take a break. Take a break. What is there?
ஓகே வெயிட் சர்வீஸ் லாஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் சர்வீஸ் கேம்
వచ్చింది so that's it push it in super go back
அது பண்ணாதீங்க சரவணா.
Pull it up. Second.
Magic service.
Again no ball. Okay, out.
Magic service. Come on.
Lawal.
Ball out. చూసుకో.
அவரு பண்ணது கேரி தாங்க.
ಇಲ್ಲ 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 no touch. It was a ball. It was no he also did that. I am not going to call. He did.
No, Mia.
Yeah, you did. They were calling. No, he did.
I did not do today.
No, now you did it. Now you did it. You can follow. Now you did it. But no, he did it. But now he did.
He lifted the ball.
No, that's why like no. Wait, no. I'm not going to say he did it. You carried it.
Now.
And Venkat called for it. Yeah, now.
Okay, we'll check the video.
Yeah. Sure.
How you are saying he did like this?
No,
No,
he
I
was
did like this
pulling.
one, this
No,
one.
it was all the way in the palm.
No, the
No.
fingers on it. You check the video
Yeah.
later.
So what do we do now?
Aram, back rub, Aram. Back rub. Parallel. Saru kada?
Wait. Score was even, right?
No, 23.
23-22.
Are we switching?
No, actually he touched the net. That's why I was asking for that. Actually.
There is no net.
No, that is it. No. That I'm going.
Okay, if the game is gonna change, right? If they check the video.
No. He is calling the net touch. I'm not calling the net touch. Yeah, no, he is calling the net touch.
Literally, I see them.
Umpire. Okay.
Come on.
Double.
Stop double.
Yeah, you were double.
Saravan and
Level. Loose.
Yeah, double. சண்டை ஆரம்பிச்சிருவோம் இல்ல வெயிட் ரெடியா சர்வீஸ் வெயிட் லவால்
Vandish, push it in. Nice one.
Come on.
Super. Drop with it. Go down.
Again, one more time.
கால் பண்ணா அவ்வளவுதான். நாங்க எதுவும் பேசுறோம்.
No, Pawan, you are calling net touch. No, you are calling net touch. What is your decision?
No, umpire.
He will agree, man, if he touch
Both of you
that is
discuss.
ball.
Both of you.
No. He is calling for the ball. Like,
So umpire called.
yeah, don't think.
Not even move.
No, don't say think. I
When he
think.
was smashing it touch. No. అంటే వెంటనే కాల్ చేశాక. ఓకే అவ்வளவுதான் నాங்க.
No, it was a net touch. Go.
நாங்க நீங்க சொல்லும்போது
It was a net touch. Go.
எடுத்துட்டோம்ல.
Go. Net touch. No feeling, Gaddy. It was a net touch. Say net touch.
He'll check the video. What happens if it is not net touch?
Huh?
What happens if it is not touch?
Nothing can be done. If you want, you can check now. If you want, we can. No reason. If you want to check, we can check. We can check now. No, you are no.
Never say
You, no. He is not he is a player. We cannot call his a decision.
Okay.
I am going to call umpire.
No, you talk to your umpire.
Yeah.
He say, I think.
No.
He's saying I think. That
No.
is not correct.
What is your decision?
Now he will change it.
Net touch, right?
No,
Net
he
touch.
said I think.
No, you want to see the camera? We'll do that.
No, see, he said I think.
If you want, we can see the camera.
I said one thing.
Yeah.
He said, you asked me, he said I think.
No.
Now you are asking, he confirming. No, that's not right.
We can touch if video.
No,
Okay.
he's checking the video. Let's check.
Let's check.
Don't rely on that.
So அப்ப நான் every point
No,
No,
video
no,
is-
no,
if you have the video,
1 minute. அதுல இருந்துச்சுனா காட்டு.
but it was clear. I mean,
No, if
umpire this. No.
They watch the video and confirm.
He did not say anything.
Wait.
I mean, if you guys okay, we can
Go and check.
Okay, net touch. Net touch. Yeah, net touch.
okay, that's confirmed.
Net touch.
Confirm the video. No, I called it, but there everybody is
Can you check the other video also?
No. No, that is anyways you guys your point, okay? That is anyways you guys. Hey, wait.
Take the video.
Huh? One minute. There are 2 times he kicked. Wait. This is first time. Okay.
ഒരു പോയിന്റ് പിടിക്കപ്പാ
No, that's okay. That's okay. No, that's okay. Lucky is you can actually video edukkalam. Best.
That's right.
Okay, cool guys. Wait.
Okay, guys.
Wait. Keep no hurry.
We had it before 2 times, so we will do it again.
Yeah, good game.
Okay, guys.
Service.
Let's finish it.
finish it
Wait, guys. Wait.
Hey guys, come on. Game is not done. Be
Service. No, you're not going to service.
Good call, umpire.
Service.
Malia.
one love
One more chance. Get this going.
డైరెక్ట్ పంపించేస్తారు one love లాస్ట్ టైం చేశాడు
అయ్యప్పన్ ఒక నిమిషం
మన 2 తోనే పంపించారు కంఫర్ట్ అయితే పంపించారు
అయ్యప్పన్ ఒక నిమిషం రెడీ పరం సర్వీస్ ஃபைனல்ஸ் ப்ரோ டீம் வரும்
அது ரோல் ஆயிருச்சு
பரம் வெயிட் பரம் வெயிட் இல்ல இவங்க no actually you guys were not they were not talking so wait go back no I know Madi but ready you guys you service
I'm ready, man.
service
Clear.
Param he was adjusting the tapes I'm not sure so that's why okay
last serve racket serve
now wait Param service now
Clear.
నేను చూడలేదు నిజంగా ఇంకా డౌట్ పెట్టలేదు నెట్ గుడ్ గేమ్ వీడియో ఉంది కాబట్టి నాకు తప్పేది
Okay, help back, Sarana.